Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix ElevenLabs login problems, voice credit and account errors step by step clearly. To troubleshoot ElevenLabs login problems, begin by checking your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable and active connection. Next, open the ElevenLabs website in your web browser. If you're using any browser extensions, disable them temporarily. Clear your browser cache and cookies to eliminate any stored data that may affect the login process. Once done, refresh the browser and attempt to log in again. If the issue persists, double-check your username and password for accurate entry. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Follow the instructions sent to your email to create a new password. After resetting, return to the login page and enter your credentials again. In case you have two-factor authentication enabled, ensure you enter the verification code correctly. If you continue experiencing login errors, check for any alerts regarding. Sometimes, temporary server outages can prevent successful logins. Another option is to try logging in using a different web browser or device to see if the problem is specific to your setup. If the login screen displays any specific error messages related to voice credit, you can visit the support section of ElevenLabs to find guidance specific to. If necessary, contact ElevenLabs customer support for further assistance. Provide them with all relevant details about the issue for quicker resolution. Finally, keep your software and web browser updated to prevent future login problems. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.